Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code VTK sir once again. I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So I hope all of you doing fine guys. So last session we have already discussed about the dictionary, what is a dictionary, how to define the syntax of dictionary we discuss here, right? So dictionary is always coming key and pairs values, right? Like once you put the key we are able to see the values and we check the length of the dictionary, how to use the type function, we check the data type, how to use the key. If you want to see the key only from dictionary, you can use the keys method, right? So see key was out. If you want to see the values only from dictionary, you can see the values. And if you want to see each of the key and value in the pair separate in parentheses, we have to use the item methods. So items method we have already finished here. So today's session we are going to see how to use pop method. How to use pop method in dictionary. Okay. So I will take it same. So as you know, you already use the pop in list also. So pop always delete the element end of the dictionary, end of the list, right? But here, once you use the pop, like here I want to write it, this, and here mention student dictionary underscore, and here you have to write the pop. See, if I run this, I will get an error. See what you say? Pop expected at least one argument got 0. I mean, nothing I put it here. So here we have to give the key, which one you want. So here I want to give it student ID like S ID. Once you run this, make sure you have to give it in a single quotation. So you can see student ID has been deleted. So make sure guys you have to put the right key here. Suppose I given this small s, definitely it will not work. See here, key error. See, student ID, because here I student S I define the capital and I'm just using the S small. You can see here S capital, I'm using a small here. So make sure you have to give the right key. Okay. Now run this, you are able to see here. Okay. So this is way you can use the pop method. Next, we discuss the del method also in the del operator. So what is the del operator? How to use del operator in dictionary. Okay, I simply paste it here and I will remove this, and here I want to write a student dictionary. So first of all you have to write a del and dictionary name. My dictionary name is student dictionary, and simple you have to come, you have to put it here a square bracket. As you know, there we also using a square bracket. So here suppose I want to delete a student name. So student underscore name. Once I run this, the student name has been deleted from my dictionary. Okay. So this is where you can use it. The del operator. Next, if I want to delete all the element from dictionary, so here we have to write how to use clear method. Clear method in dictionary. Math in dictionary. So I just paste it here. Let's modify this. So again, I will take a student dictionary here. Student underscore dictionary, my variable name dot clear. Run this, and you can see. So you can see only structure renames. Rest of the key and value has been removed from the dictionaries. Okay. So this is where you can use the pop. Next question, pop and clear. You have to use it. Okay. So I will see the pop, del operator and clear. If interviewer say no, I want to delete the element end of the dictionary. So which method we have to use? Like in list, once you use the pop, so pop always delete the element end of the indexes, right? But here in pop, we have to define which one key you want to delete. But in dictionary, if you ask no, I want to delete the last element from the dictionary. So if you want to delete the element want to delete the elements end of the dictionary. Okay, so we have to use pop items, pop item method. Okay, so again I will take here student dictionary dot, you have to write the function name pop, pop item, item not items, so make sure spelling should be correct. Once you run this, so you can see my last element what program, student program here, so see program has been deleted from my dictionary. Okay, so this is way you can use the pop item. Okay, next question in dictionary guys, suppose if you want to update any keys values here, I want to update, so in that case you can use the update method. So let me write here how to use update method, update method. Okay, update method, which method in dictionary. Okay, so simply you have to use the update here, which one you want to update in your dictionary. Update. Okay, so student dictionary underscore dictionary. So here you have to use update. So you have to write the same syntax, the curly braces. In curly braces you have to use the double quotation. Suppose here I want to update the program or student program colon. So here is a DS, I want to update here DA. So I mention here DA, run this. So as you can see program has been changed. So with the help of the update method you can update your dictionary as well. Okay guys, so that's it for this session. Then see you next video. Thank you so much.